Tungwarara anozikanwa kunzi is the advisor to the president panhau empowerment and investment. Panguva ine vanhu vese vari kushedzera vachiti he must be stopped noda kuti ari kukonzeresa mass division with the ruling party ZANU-PF. Sabina mashoko buda achidhilipwa panguva ine ari kunyatsoonekwa kunzi people they must put a stop. ZANU-PF must put a stop kuna Tungwarara. Ndodibwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipira pahedo ya progress abudanyira chiti comrade Tungwarara miswai. Critics within and outside ZANU-PF have increasingly argued that Tungwarara's conduct in political posture are deepening internal fractures at a time when the party faces serious demands for unity, renewal, and discipline. The alleged use of factional rhetoric, personalized power building, and public positioning against fellow party members has fueled mistrust, undermined collective decision-making, and distracted attention from bread and butter issues affecting ordinary Zimbabweans. Instead of strengthening party cohesion and respecting established structures, his approach has amplified tensions between camps, encouraged opportunism, and weakened ZANU-PF's ability to present a coherent vision to the public. For these reasons, some party supporters and analysts argue that firm internal corrective measures are needed to curb behavior seen as divisive, restore unity, and focus the party on governance, accountability, and national development rather than internal power struggles. Doma developments aruda panguva ino vanhu vachiti Tungwarara zvaari kuita izvi zviri kukanganisa bato. Kana kuma section medu dzafungiro muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chaonekwa nenyika yose, and people they are arguing vachiuya panguva inoshonekwa kunzi some of the individuals vari kuonekwa kunzi vari kuita funneling aiwa state funds. Mukaona even his daughter panguva ine kunyatsoonekwa kunzi these guys they are using money kune zvimwe zvinhu zvisimbori necessary, vanhu vachisafa munyika yeZimbabwe. Pena kuma section medu dzafungiro muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.